What's up with y'all? This is Brennan from BeachCloud, and by the end of this video, y'all learn how to resize and fit our watches. Okay, so here we have 3 of our models. Each of these are unbranded prototypes, but beautiful nonetheless. Alright, so we've included a free toolkit with every watch. We usually come in a plastic bag, but right now we already have it out, so it could be easier for our video. So we sent our watches as large as possible to ensure everyone will be accommodated. Alright, to make this perfection fit on your wrist, you would most likely have to size it down just because we sent it to fit everyone and accommodate everyone. Alright, so for step 1, we'll take the watch out of the case, unhook the watch, and make sure the watch is lined up on the timer pin side, because we will be pushing the other pins out this way towards our left. Alright, step 2. Begin to rotate clockwise, but first make sure the pin is pushed out to the left, away from the timer pin. The needle will close in on the pin within the link that you are trying to remove. So, count clockwise, push in. You will see the pin come out through the little barrier right here. Once you see that, counterclockwise, right there. The pin will be pulled out. Alright, when you take out the link, your watch might come apart and fall. So make sure you have a good grip on it. Alright guys, and for video purposes, I only took out 1 link. But for me personally, I had to take off 2 because my wrists, as you can see, are not that big. So depending on your wrist size, that's how many links you would have to take out. Alright, before we begin step 3, make sure you have the pin and the ridges opposite of the time pin. So you will push it out towards the left, and you want the ridges of the pin to come out towards the left. So step 3, make sure the ridges pointing towards you have the timer pin facing down to make it easier. So you just got to put it in there with your hand. Push it in there with your thumb, push it down. You'll have trouble like pushing it in, so that's where the tool comes from, and you have to be patient when using the tool. You can put the tool against your shirt for stability or against your chest. Make sure the pin is lined up with the pin that's going in towards the watch, so the ridge side of the pin, and you want to go clockwise to push in the pin. So as you can see, I pushed it all the way in. Alright, so once you're done with all 5 steps, you're finished. All you have to do, place it on your wrist. Heat. Ooh. That dazzle.
Hey, what's going on, y'all? I'm the other dude. We appreciate you clicking the how-to tutorial on how to resize your watches to fit your wrist. We really appreciate it. If there's any problems with the tutorial, feel free to comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You can DM us at BeachCloud Watches on Instagram. You can message us at BeachCloud on Twitter, just BeachCloud. And you can also follow us on our Facebook at BeachCloud Merchandise.